Hi, Doc audience. Everybody knows Tom Brady, and his biggest admirer, allegedly, is being accused of being unhealthy. I'm here with world-renowned plastic surgeon, Dr. Rohrich. Rod, Tom Brady, most famous quarterback in history, not in the Super Bowl this year. This girl, Veronika Rajek's a big Instagram model. She's being accused by her following for being unhealthy.
I think she's fine, and I think she looks great. I think he's going to have a lot of time here. He's got a lot of fans. I mean, look at Veronika, 4 million followers on social media. I mean, Tom Brady, I think, likes tall women. His ex was 5'11", and I think Veronika's 5'11" too. But the difference is that she's actually stating her weight. That's uncommon to see, don't you think?
Yeah, well, I think this comes up all the time. I mean, she looks like she's very fit, looks very healthy. So it's probably unfounded, but that's the typical thing you get. You know, when people look good, then you got all the people want to throw stones. But what's not coming through, there's probably 10 times the amount that actually think she looks great, but nobody's talking about that because it doesn't get the clicks.
Right. Well, the DMs always are. When one starts a DM, say, "Oh, you look like you need to gain weight," then of course there's a cascade, the pile-on effect of saying, "Oh, yes, you do." I think the haters will always hate, and that's normal. But getting back to Tom Brady, he was one of the world's greatest, and he certainly can do what he wants, and he's going to have a lot of admirers for a long time. And kudos to him, don't you think, Bill? I mean, he deserves it.
10 full throttle Super Bowl appearances, and he won 7. Probably never be done again.
I don't think so.
Great story, Rod. If you like this story about being malnourished or too skinny, check out this video on if you have some fat somewhere that you don't want, can you move it somewhere else where you do want it?